Hello everyone, this is James from Jinko Solar. Now we are standing in front of Jinko Solar Shanghai base, one of 12 smart and intelligent manufacturing bases we have worldwide. Today, my colleagues and I would like to give a virtual tour showing you briefly our vertical integrated supply chain. You will see what we produce and how we produce them. Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone, I'm Wang Kun from P department. Now I'm at Jinko Solar's Leshan factory in Sichuan, which mainly include silicon material process, monocrystalline silicon production, square ingot cutting, and other functions. This is the production steps from silicon material to square ingot is completed. We have 2,500 employees, and our factory annual output is about 25 gigawatts. Next, let me introduce our factory. Now we are here in the number 3 monocrystalline silicon drawing workshop. This workshop is divided into several core areas, including material preparation area, monocrystalline silicon drawing area, core center, hot field room, round ingot inspection area, and so on. The monocrystalline drawing production area, which is using the vertical pulling method. Firstly, we put the polycrystalline silicon material in the furnace and start heating. After the polycrystalline silicon is melted, we drop the seed crystal into the liquid. When the temperature reaches, pour the seed crystal. The seed crystal is oriented and grown into from a monocrystal with a consistent structure. After several hours, we will get the round ingot at last. Leshan factory has the 160 type furnace, which is the most advanced in the world. The furnace can be compatible with P-type or N-type product, and the size from 9 inch to 12 inch. The output can reach the industry's highest, 200 kg per day. This workshop is the most advanced and smart, which is a whole process monitoring and automated production with smart material reporting, centralized temperature control, and automated crystal drawing. The entire system doesn't need human intervention, and it's all operated by automated system, which not only makes the entire process more efficient, but also increase the output more efficiently. Now, we are at the square ingot cutting workshop. In 2021, Leshan factory imported the smart production system. The system coordinates the monocrystalline silicon drawing and the square ingot cutting process through roller chain, smart gantry, and staging locations. Through the cooperation of the machine hand, conveyor, and the truss robot, the process of rolled ingot cutting, square ingot cutting, grinding, inspection, carbon recycling, square ingot staging, and finished goods area are all connected. This achieves automated capture, transmission, and test. It's greatly improved our production efficiency and information management level. Since automation is put into production, the risk of labor injury has been reduced by 95%. The quality loss has been reduced by 50%, and the labor efficiency has increased by 35%. Here, monocrystalline silicon square ingot has produced. Finally, I would like to introduce you proudly that Leshan factory will become the Jinko Solar first zero carbon production factory. To achieve 100% renewable energy usage, by using green electricity nearby the plant, keeping high equipment efficiency, and reducing energy consumption, Leshan factory has already become a demonstration of a green factory. I'm looking forward to your arrival in Jinko Solar's Leshan factory.
Hello everyone, I'm Chen Wang from Wolf Technical Department. The Wolf manufacturing base in Jiangxi Sanglao has 2,500 staff and it is divided into 3 areas, 4 workshops, and the capacity in 2021 reaches 32 GW. This is the number 4 workshop. It was built in 2020 and has 17 wafer production lines. The workshop can produce 2.4 million wafers in a day, reaching 6.5 GW capacity in 1 year. Let's go inside and look at the production process. There are 5 main processes: crystal bar bending, slicing, wafer debanding, cleaning, inspection, and packaging. Step 1 is crystal bar bending. The crystal bar is bended together with the plastic plate and tray. This process uses robotic arm and automatic glue mixer, which increases the efficiency by 40% compared to the manual option. Step 2 is slicing. We use the most advanced multi-wire cutting machine in the industry, and it can cut wafer of 158 to 230 mm size, with the 35 micrometer tiny diameter one. Step 3 is wafer debanding. The glue between wafer and the plastic sheet expands after absorbing lactic acid, so the wafer separates from the plastic sheet. Step 4 is cleaning. Clean the wafer with detergent solution and ultrasonic wafer. Then dry it after removing impurities such as organic matter, oxidation layer, and particles. Step 5 is inspection and packaging. We inspect wafer's electric performance, size, and outlook with the automatic sorting machine, and then do packaging. The inspection workshop is highly automated. It is equipped with automatic loading robots and automatic wafer sorting machines, saving 50% of manpower. Jinko Solar has 22 slicing patterns and most advanced slicing equipment. The wafer manufacturer has implemented information management. Collect and analyze information by using the industry's leading mass and SCADA system and the cloud network model. We can check data about capacity, get rate, and equipment operation in real time on PC and mobile terminals, ensuring the sustainable and high-quality wafer manufacturing.